With rising pollution in the national capital, the political heat is also picking up as BJP-ruled Delhi government ministers traded barbs with opposition's Aam Aadmi Party leader Saurabh Bhardwaj. Now, Delhi Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa has blamed the stubble burning in Punjab as the reason behind the rising pollution in Delhi. He also accused the Punjab Aam Aadmi Party government of forcing farmers to burn stubble, to which Aam Aadmi Party leader Saurabh Bhardwaj has strongly condemned and said that it is very shameful to think that the farmers of Punjab, and that too Sikhs, are burning stubble to defame the Hindu festival of Diwali. He also added that the BJP needed to apologize to the Sikh community, in fact the Sikh farmers also of Punjab. Listen in to what the leaders had to say.
पंजाब में आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार है। पंजाब के किसान बिल्कुल धुआं नहीं, आग नहीं लगाना चाहते। उनको पैसे मिलते हैं पराली के, अब तो फूकना नहीं चाहते। ये उनको जबरन उनसे पराली फुकवा रहे हैं। आज के अखबार में छपा कि सबसे ज्यादा घटनाक्रम कल हुए और सब मुंह बांधकर, मास्क बांधकर, मुंह पे कपड़े बांधकर आम आदमी पार्टी ने जलवाया उनको।
पंजाब के विषय में जो इनके मंत्री ने कहा, इनको पंजाब के सिख किसानों से माफी मांगनी चाहिए। ये सोचना भी कि किसान, खास तौर पे पंजाब के सिख किसान, हिंदुओं के त्योहार को बदनाम करने के लिए खास तौर पे दिवाली के दिन पराली जला रहे थे, ये तो शर्मनाक सोच है। सिख धर्म के जो गुरु साहब हुए हैं, जिन्होंने हिंदुओं के लिए अपनी जान की कुर्बानी तक दे दी, उनके लिए उनसे इन्हें माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
Well, on this, my colleague Shreya Ghosh joins us on the telecast. Now, Shreya, while political face-offs may continue, the situation which is, of course, present on ground cannot be denied. The pollution levels have increased. What is the latest that you're tracking on this story?
Well, Reed, the current air quality index stands at 332, which is, of course, in the very poor category. And the fact of the matter is that the people of the national capital had huge expectations when it comes to environmental governance for the new BJP-led Delhi government. But here we can see that the political leaders are busy in the blame game as the air quality continues to worsen. Right behind me, you can see the visuals of this toxic, thick smog that has engulfed the Akshardham. And as you heard, both the political leaders, be it Manjinder Sirsa, he has been blaming the Punjab, stubble burning, and Saurabh Bhardwaj is saying that no, it is the green crackers that has sort of, the overuse of green crackers have led to the worsening pollution levels. But the fact of the matter is, as per Environment Ministry sources, stubble burning in Punjab contributes only 1% of Delhi's pollution crisis. It is mostly, the transportation emissions and other sources, be it residential emissions, industrial emissions, that contributes to Delhi's pollution crisis, and also the pollution that comes from the neighboring areas like Noida, Gurugram, Ghaziabad. When it comes to stubble burning cases, we have seen a drop as compared to previous years, but experts also tell us that from next week onwards, from the second week of November, stubble burning or farm fires will increase. But so far, as the data tells us that stubble burning only contributes to 1% of the Delhi's pollution crisis. Apart from the air pollution, we also have the Yamuna pollution. Day after tomorrow is Chhath Puja, and the devotees will be taking a holy dip in the Yamuna waters. How clean is Yamuna? A political blame game is going around that topic as well. Saurabh Bhardwaj from Aam Aadmi Party has challenged the BJP to drink 1 liter of this Yamuna water if they think it is that clean. But the BJP has said that, has promised the people of Delhi that they will give a froth-free Yamuna so that people can celebrate Chhath Puja in a clean and hygienic way. The BJP has also responded back to Aam Aadmi Party, saying that Aam Aadmi Party during its decade-long rule sort of wasted the 6,000 crores funding when it comes to Yamuna cleanup. But this time around, the Delhi government is promising that the Yamuna will be clean for the Chhath Puja preparations. Only time will tell how much of that water is actually clean and less polluted for the immersion. Back to you.